Good afternoon, Stampers. It's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And I am here tonight on Monday, August 16th, 2021 at 5:11 p.m. Eastern Time because just got home from work. The Hope Box is on my desk. So let's get started and see what the Paper Pumpkin kit from this month, what it consists of. And hopefully you will be inspired. Let's get started. So here is this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. They're calling it a Hope Box. This is August 2021's Paper Pumpkin. Didn't do a very good job cutting that. And the idea is that you're going to receive pieces that you can use to embellish the box afterwards to create a Hope Box, a memory box. Okay, Hope Box, Paper Pumpkin, love the colors. Alrighty, so here's the instructions on how to make a Hope Box. With the Hope Box Paper Pumpkin kit, put a smile on someone's face. It includes a gorgeous card kit for you to create, plus a specially designed box, the Hope Box. Stampin' Up! Co-founder Shelley created the Hope Box to help you find what makes you hopeful. Simply collect mementos and precious objects, reminders of wonderful memories and tokens that point towards exciting moments to come, and keep your curated Hope Box as a place to turn to for some self-love and inspiration. And then here's the instructions on how to assemble your Hope Box, and examples of what to include in your Hope Box: goals, a card, pictures, success documents, articles that inspire you, and then scan this QR code to watch Shelley herself put together a Hope Box. So that's part of the kit. Let's see what I got on my desk here that I can. So not sure if this is going to work. Always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Just a note of hope. Hope. A butterfly, rose, like a flower with some roses or flowers beside it. Where there is faith. Where there is faith, miracles happen. So you could do where there is hope, there is faith. So you can mix and match the words. We've got some splatter here, and then we've got a small butterfly. Ooh, this is rich. Is it Blackberry Bliss? Could be Blackberry Bliss. Let's see what the colors are. Look at that. It's Blackberry Bliss. That's the color. I wasn't sure if it was Rich Razzleberry or Blackberry Bliss, but it is Blackberry Bliss. So the Stampin' Spot is Blackberry Bliss, and the ribbon is Blackberry Bliss. The ribbon, I think, would be to wrap the Hope Box up. We put a pretty bow on it. Now, if you were ever on the fence regarding Paper Pumpkin, now is the time to subscribe to it if you're in Canada for a 3, 6, 12-month period, because for every $60 spent, you get a free Celebration item. And Celebration is on right now. So that's when I normally subscribe. So my subscription is coming due, I think. And so I will subscribe again because I will get lots of Celebration items. Alrighty, so let's do my usual. Here's some cards, and I want to do the color. What color? Oh, here we go. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Melon Mambo, Petal Pink, Pool Party, and Poppy Parade. And do more with this month's kit. I don't know if you subscribe to the Facebook Paper Pumpkin Facebook page. It's called stampinup.com/, Facebook, Paper Pumpkin. I think that's what it's called. You'll see it if you can search on Facebook. Last month's alternate projects were phenomenal. They were so beautiful. So see a list of coordinating products that match this month's kit at stampedup.com. Paper Pumpkin coordination. And then here are the visual instructions, and there's even like a ruler down the side. It gives you instructions. Alrighty, does it tell us how many pieces are in here of everything? Oh, maybe it does, but I'm just impatient to look. So let's get started. Ooh, that's a big butterfly. Well, this would be for the outside of the box. Isn't that pretty? That would be for the box. So for the cards, we've got 3 of those. Let me just pick out all the card bases. So these ones are pretty. That's pretty. 3 of those. And 3 of those. Love the colors. So we've got envelopes, and actually they're all different. Isn't that pretty? Love this envelope. So 3 of those. That's the back side. 3 of those and the back side. And then 3 of those and the back side. So let's see, I think this one will go with that. I think this one will go with that. There we go. And then this one will go with that. I think. And then we have Hope. We've got the flags, and we've got them in different languages. And again, always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. And this, I think, was for the box. Same with this tag. It's got some swirly flowers. Oh, this must be for the box too. This is the wrap to make the hope box. Oh, isn't that pretty? We've got 3 of those. That's really pretty. You know what you could do with this? You could put it on a piece of cardstock like that, a bigger piece, and then either brayer color over it, or I'm using this spritzer and some re-inker with some alcohol in there and spritz, and you would get sort of like a reverse pattern on your card base. It would be really pretty. Really love that. And here we've got some butterflies. Got 6 of those, and then 12 of the others. 2, 3. We've got, this will be for one of the cards. 3 of those. Oops. 3 of those. And then we've got some flags here. We've got some circles, 4 of those, and then 2, 4, 6, 8 of these banners. And we've got tomorrow and hope. And we've got 3 each in each language. This will be to stamp something on because it's blank. Oh, there's quite a few of these. How many sheets? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, there we go. I thought they were blank. Ooh, love the colors. So there are 4 sheets, so 16, and there's 4 on each, so there's 16. And then we've got glue dots. Oh, some really pretty sequins. At first I thought they were rhinestones, but I think they're sequins. yeah, their adhesive back sequence. Really nice, some really nice bling on there. And then glue dots. So let's take a look again really quickly at the cards. So there's the how you can decorate the hope box. And then always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. That's this one. Just a note of hope. What's this one for? Which one? This one. Oh, that's this one. That'll go on here. I love this one. Where there's hope, there is faith. Really love this die cut. It looks really pretty in real life. Like, it's really, really pretty. And it's very, let me just pop it out so you have an idea. It's really beautiful, really detailed. Come on. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. That is so pretty. That alone is like a standout piece on, that'll be a standout piece on the card. Almost ashamed to actually cover it up with anything. Can't wait till I see what people do with the alternate projects kit. So I'm going to back up because I'm going to go to, I don't think it's in the catalog. So reminder that if Paper Pumpkin was ever on your radar, this must be the big catalog. If Paper Pumpkin was ever on your radar, now is the time to purchase it. Let me see if I've got one of the big catalogs here. Because it's when you get the most free things. So just keep that in mind if you were ever thinking of subscribing to Paper Pumpkin. And just looking quickly, oh, here we go. So in Canada, I'm talking Canada, folks. So if you were to get a 3-month subscription of Paper Pumpkin, it's $82.50, and so you'd get one celebration item. If you were, let me come back up to me. I'm back. If you were to get a 6-month Paper Pumpkin kit, it's $158 for the 6 months. And I'm going to sneeze. And you would get 2 celebration items. You might want to toss in something else to add to it so that you can get up to 3 because it's 2.63. But if you were to go for the 12 months Paper Pumpkin, which is $300, divided by 6, you'd get 5 celebration items for free. And we know that the celebration items, there's lots to pick from. And I'll tell you what some of my favorites are. The Bedazzling specialty paper. I have a team event coming up on the weekend, and everyone got a package of the Bedazzling paper. It's really, really pretty. If you were into the penguins and you saw in the mini catalog, the Penguin Suite, there is coordinating paper that you can get for free. It coordinates with the Penguin Place bundle. There's also the Feels Like Home stamp set, which I don't. I thought I did a card on the weekend with it, and I thought maybe it was on my desk, but it's not. There's also the free penned, beautifully penned 12 by 12 designer series paper that you can get for free, which is a black and white motif. This paper is gorgeous, which is the Peaceful Prints 12 by 12 designer series paper. Great for Christmas. You can get that for free. These are all free with every $60 spent during celebration. Okay, this is one of my favorites. I haven't really played with it yet, but I just love it, and it's so fun. Counting Sheep, it's free with $60 purchase with every $60 before shipping and handling. And then another $60, you get the sheep dies. Oh my God, isn't that adorable? So those are 2 things that you can get. There is the textures and frames, which is free with a $60 purchase. This one is free with a $120 purchase, which is the Summer Shadow Dies, and it coordinates with the Shaded Summer stamp set, which is in the catalog. Delicate Dahlias, which is free with a $120 purchase. So see, there's a lot here that you can use to coordinate, that you can pick if you subscribe to a full year of celebration of Paper Pumpkin. So you get 5 celebration items. So one of mine would be the dazzling paper. That would be one of my picks. My other pick would be the sheep and the dies for the sheep. So that's 3 items. Another would be the Peaceful Prince. That's 4 items. And then the last one would be, especially if you got the penguin, would be the Penguin Playmates. That's 5 things that you can get for free with a year's subscription to Paper Pumpkin. So if you were ever on the fence about Paper Pumpkin, now, folks, is the time. So hope you enjoyed my unveiling of Paper Pumpkin. And now I'm going to go eat dinner and change and get ready to do my Monday night indulging, which is in Below Deck. Love that show. And I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine and get ready to indulge in Below Deck. Take care, have a good one, and happy stamping.